Welcome back to Dr. Karen's Math Hacks. One of the things that people have problems with the most is division. There are a couple shortcuts that aren't real commonly known, and I'll show you one of them today. Let's take a look. I don't know how this works. Let's take a number that is not too big. Let's do 114 divided by 8. Okay? Instead of writing it this way, I'm going to write it this way, 114 divided by 8. So I go, okay, 100 is big, right? So let's say 10. Let's take 80 out of there. All right, if we've taken 80 out, that means there's 34 left. All right, we can take 32 out of there, right? Because 8 times 4 is 32. So let's do that. Let's make this a 32. And then we'll take that last 2 and put it over here. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And 2 divided by 8 is 1/4. So our total is 14 and 1/4. It's real similar to long division. So let's look at this one. Okay, when we put the 1 here, we're actually subtracting out 80. Okay, that's the 10. We're subtracting out the 80, just like we did here. All right, we generally ignore this one and go, okay, 3 is left over, and we bring the 4 down. That's our 34 here. Okay. Then we say, okay, there's 4. 4 times 8 is 32. We get 2 out. That's what we were doing here. And then we say, okay, there's 2 left. 2 divided by 8. So 14 and 2/8. That's 14 and 1/4, which is what we got. So essentially we're doing the same thing, just laid out differently. So why is that a good thing? Why would we want to lay it out that way instead of the long division way? Well, first off, it's easier to see, okay? And second, if you guess wrong, if you guess too low, it doesn't matter. For example, let's take 725 divided by 3. All right, I'm going to pretend that we don't see that there's 2 3's in here. All right, I'm going to just pull 1 out. I'm going to pull 300 over 3. That gives us 425 over 3. We can pull another one out so that we've got all right, now I see a 12 and a 3. So I'm going to pull 4 out. Okay, I'm going to move this over a little bit so I have room. Now I'm going to pull a 3 out of that, and I'm going to make it 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3. All right. So now that we've got this written down, I'm going to make some space here. We've got this is 100. This is 100. This is 40. This is 1, and this is 2/3. 241 and 2/3 is our answer. All right, now that I've shown you how it works, let's try some other ones. let's try 4832 divided by 12. Okay? I know 48 times 12 is something, so let's put that 4800 over 12 here. That gives us 32 over 12. All right? 32 over 12 is 2, so that's 24. And then we've got 8 left over, right? That's the same as this one. So this is 48 divided by 12 is 4, and we have 2 zeros, 400, plus 2 plus 8 12s. We can take a 4 out of each, and we get 2/3. So the answer is 402 2/3. Let's do a hard one. Let's do 786 divided by 15. All right. Let's just count up 15, 30, 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. So that's 5. It's going to give us a 5. 50. All right. What do we have when we take that out? We got 36 left. All right. Well, 30 is 15 times 2. And then we can simplify this one by dividing each of them by 3. So our answer is 52 2/5. Let's do a really obnoxious one. Let's do 7, 8, 2, 3, 4 divided by 12. All right, 12 times 6. That gives us a 60 here. That's a 72, right? So we got 72, 1, 2, 3 divided by 12. And that's going to give us a 6,000. All right, so what we have left, we have 623/4 divided by 12. All right, we know 5 times 12 is 60, so that'll take care of that. Okay? So we'll have 234 over 12 left over, and we're making this 60. All right. 12 and 60 gives us 5. We get 2 more zeros. Now we got this. All right. This is, if this was 24, we could just say 2, but it's not. So we'll just say 1 and take 120 out of there. That gives us 114. All right. 114 divided by 12. Well, 8 gets us most of the way, so let's do 9. All right, 9 times 12, 90, 108. This is going to be 108, so that means we're going to have 6 left over. 6 12ths is a half. So now we need to combine all of our numbers here. 6,519 and a half is our answer. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. I'll be posting another math hack next week.